encourage you to get in.
Come on, Grandpa, jump.
All right, get up there. Daddy's going to take a picture.
Yep.
All right.
All right, you guys wait for Grandpa. Jump together.
Wait. Well, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Grandpa's going to jump in. All right, get down so I don't jump on top of you. Get down a little bit. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's cold.
Is it? Is it cold?
Yes.
Is it cold, Ethan?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's cold, Grandpa. How cold, Grandpa?
It's freezes. Aren't y'all cold?